अलमी पब्लिक स्कूल ICSE सिलेबस गुलबर्गा ने सेलिब्रेट किया है साइंस वीक। 9 अक्टूबर से लेकर 13 अक्टूबर तक ये साइंस वीक सेलिब्रेट किया, जिसमें कई सारी इवेंट्स प्लान किए गए, जिसमें बच्चों में एक साइंटिफिक टेम्पर इग्नाइट हुआ। ये बात हम कर रहे हैं पहले वीक के सेशंस की, जहां पर रिडल्स सॉल्विंग जो कि बच्चों में काफी इंटरेस्ट उन्होंने पैदा किया। रिडल्स जो एक साइंटिफिक कॉन्सेप्ट पे बेस्ड थे, उसी दिन की शुरुआत हुई। डे 2 की अगर हम बात करें तो पिक एंड स्पीक सेशन रखा गया था बच्चों के लिए, जिसमें नॉलेज मिली उनको साइंस के बारे में। तीसरे दिन में हम बता रहे हैं साइंस वीक जो सेलिब्रेट किया गया साइंटिफिक टेम्पर डे, जिसमें डिबेट्स रखे गए थे टॉपिक्स पर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, इम्पैक्ट ऑन फ्यूचर और डज सोशल मीडिया इम्प्रूव और इम्पीड कम्युनिकेशन। स्टूडेंट्स ने बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से इन डिबेट्स में पार्टिसिपेशन लिया और काफी एंथुसियास्टिकली उनका ये इन्वॉल्वमेंट रहा। फोर्थ की अगर हम बात करें तो आउटडोर लेबोरेटरी कंडक्ट की गई थी, जिसके अंदर कोर करिकुलम के में बच्चों को एक्सपोज किया गया और एक्सपेरिमेंट किया गया आउटडोर्स में कि किस तरह से वो बाहर निकलते हैं, यानी क्लासरूम के 4 दीवार से बाहर निकलकर बाहर की दुनिया में किस तरह से वो एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं और किस तरह से रहते हैं। ये आउटडोर लेबोरेटरी में ये काफी अच्छे तौर पर उन्होंने एक्सपीरियंस लर्न किया है। अलमी पब्लिक स्कूल जो अपनी हाईएस्ट क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन में जाना जाता है, फैकल्टी सब लोगों ने मिलकर ये आउटडोर लेबोरेटरी काफ़ी अच्छे तरीके से डिज़ाइन की थी, जहां पर बच्चों ने लर्निंग और रिसर्च काम किया है। बच्चों की अगर हम बात करें तो उसमें फॉरेस्ट इकोसिस्टम बताया गया, कोएग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ डिफरेंट स्पीशीज, अमेजिंग नेचर हैबिटेट बताया गया जो गॉड ने हमें प्रोवाइड किया है क्रिएशंस के लिए, ऑर्गेनिक कंपोस्ट फीड प्रोवाइड किया गया डेली वेस्ट फ्रॉम द किचन के लिए, और स्टूडेंट्स ने लर्न किए कई सारे ऑस्मोसिस। लिटिल एंजल्स ने फन टाइम बिताया नेम्स ऑफ ट्रीज के साथ, बिल्डिंग नेस्ट के साथ, बिल्डिंग मेसेस, मिक्सिंग कलर्स, मैचिंग लीव्स, ये सारी चीज़ें ऑन फुट ऑफ ग्रास, ये सारी चीज़ें लर्न की गई। उसके अलावा भी ऐसे कई सारे इवेंट्स थे जिसमें बच्चों ने अपने ओन गैजेट्स बनाए, असेंबल किया और साइंस को बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से एक्सपीरियंस किया। इसके अलावा जूनियर साइंटिस्ट ने अपने ही इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स बनाए जो कि बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से क्लीन इन्वायरमेंट के लिए हेल्प कैसा होगी उन्होंने वो भी बनाया। और इस सेट ऑफ जूनियर साइंटिस्ट वो थे जिन्होंने अर्थक्वेक डिटेक्टर बनाया, जहां पर कई सारे लोगों ने रेन डिटेक्टर बनाया, विंड टरबाइन, ब्रिजेस, रैंप्स और पैराशूट्स भी। ये फुल फ्लेज केमिस्ट्री लैब भी बनाया गया था आउटडोर्स में। आउटडोर लैबोरेटरी एक सर्व की है स्ट्रेस बस्टर के तौर पर, जहां पर फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज मिलेगा बच्चों को ताकि बच्चे बने फ्यूचर के लीडर्स। अलमी पब्लिक स्कूल का ये इवेंट काफी सक्सेसफुल रहा। आइए देखते हैं इस इवेंट के शॉर्ट हाइलाइट्स।
Good morning everyone. My name is Abdul Basit. I am from 5th standard. My topic is magic board. So in magic board we can do many problems like lesser than, greater than, matrix, odd numbers, even numbers and prime numbers. So first we will do lesser than greater. Less than 74 is 64. Greater than is 84. Now matrix. Find to 5. If we sum this 5 and this 5, we get 7. Similarly, 4 into 4 matrix. If we add this, if we sum this 4 and this 4, we get same.
Good morning everyone. I am Deepika from class 6. performing an activity of windmill. Windmill is a renewable source of energy. It produces electricity by using renewable source of energy. As the non-renewable source of energy, example coal and etc., is fading day by day. When air strikes on the windmill starts to rotate. This rotating or mechanical energy is called electricity.
Good morning, my name is Syed Zainullah. I am from class 8 standard. Today I have prepared an electric vehicle which will be moving from an electricity. It runs with electricity. It has so many benefits of it. See, it runs with only electricity. It has one battery and a switch button which is connected to an engine. It gives power to the engine to move from one place to another. From nowadays, we are using vehicles of petroleum, diesel, and natural resources which get polluted. They release so many harmful gases which is not helpful for our human beings. So to prevent it, the electric vehicle will be best to prefer for our daily use. If we charge for it for 3 hours, we can get a ride of 100 kilometers. So it's best. I prefer you all to buy electric vehicles for your daily use. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Ijan Patel. I am from 6th class. Today my topic is Newton's cradle. When one ball at the end ball is lifted and released, transfer kinetic energy.
And my name is Mohammad Faizan.
We are doing earthing.
Alarm.
The basic principle of work and warning earthquake detector with a vibration. This is when the earthquake occurs or when the dynamo started. The resulting vibration is the movement of the pendulum.
This is the model of friend detector. When we put on water and two blades are connected with wires, batteries, one buzzer and one button. This water droplet falls on the two blades. Emergency alarm will act.
Good morning everyone, myself Omar Umani and from class 10. So today's my topic is on laser security, how it works. The main principle of this laser security system is based on the laser. The laser, whenever anything or any object or any interruption between the LDR and the laser, it starts the beeping. Anything it comes between the LDR and the laser, it starts the beeping. The laser will continue until the anything or any interruption come between the LDR and the laser. It starts the buzzer starts the beeping.
I am doing displacement reaction. Displacement reaction is a reaction in which a metal which is placed above in the electrochemical series, it displaces a metal which is placed below in the electrochemical series. So first we have taken copper sulfate solution. In this we have put iron nail. So after some time, as iron is above copper in iron sulfate solution, so it will displace copper from copper sulfate solution, and it will form green colors FeCl3, and the copper which is displaced, it will form a layer like this. It is not rust. This one. So here now another displacement reaction is removal of rust. So to remove rust is something which is formed when iron comes in contact with atmospheric moisture. To remove rust, first we take a rusted nail and put it in nitric acid. When we put, so these reddish brown fumes which are released, these are nitric dioxide fumes. The rust will get removed from this.
This is ferrous sulfate solution and this is sodium hydroxide solution. When we mix sodium hydroxide to ferrous sulfate, that dirty green precipitate is formed, which the dirty precipitate is insoluble salt.
Poly means one. Poly means many. Sides. Minimum size is required. Minimum 3 sizes required to make a close.
Good morning everyone. My name is Afnan Salim. I am from class 5th. Let me take you all to my activity. How do plants breathe? This topic invites us to look into the hidden wonder and to understand the remarkable process by which plants exchange their gases in their environment.
Myself, and we are from class 9, and our topic is about types of bridges. This is a truss bridge. Truss bridge is a bridge whose overloading superstructure is modified. It is economically to construct because it has efficient metals, that is wood, iron and steel. These bridges are found in India, that is in Kolkata and Hyderabad. And this is a suspension bridge.
Good afternoon. I am Aisha from 9th standard. I am here to discuss about how the absorption takes place in plants. As you can see, these are two plants, but the color of this plant differs from the color of this plant. Why it is so? Due to absorption of water from the roots. How this process occurs, I will tell you. Here, the root system is divided into one main root and that divided into lateral root system. The lateral root system contains of many root hairs. This root hair is said to be highly concentrated.
My name is Emma. There, a grown-up tiger must have eaten several deer in its lifetime. The deer must have eaten hundreds and thousands of grass swings. This was in terms of the number of individuals consumed in each level. Thank you. Here a rat can be a food of stoat or an owl or a fox. An owl can be a consumer of beetles, a rat or a rabbit. A rabbit can be a food of toad, owl and fox. This interaction is known as interaction. The food web is very complex and biologists are able to understand all the dynamics and interaction between the food. Thank you.
I'm Abhinav from class 6. Good morning everyone. I am Basu from class 5th. Good morning everyone. My name is Jay from 4th standard. Good morning everyone. My name is Chinmay from class 4th. I am Habibullah from class 6th. I am Sayyid Jalali from class 4th. Good morning everyone. I am Sayyid Rizan Ali from class 6th.
What is the name of Earth's natural satellite? Ruby. Good. Which is the largest animal on land?
Elephant.
Correct answer. Planet is at the closest distance from the sun. It's Ruby. It's gradually renewable energy, non-renewable energy. Final score 150. The polygon with 5 sides. How many years make a millennium? What are the standard states of matter? What do you call the brain of a computer?
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Mohammad Umayyan Ansari from class 10. I am studying for the Ruby House.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Syed Ali. I am from class 8. Good afternoon everyone. I am Fatiha Sawala from class 10 side and I am studying for the Ruby House. Good afternoon everyone. I am Samia Mahir from class 8.
Converting into a solid form. And what is the process of a solid changing directly into a gas is called? Sublimation. Name ChatGPT.
OpenAI.
Which programming language is commonly used for web development?
HTML.
What causes the moon to shine?
Reflected sunlight.
Which star is the nearest to Earth?
Upper center.
Perfect. Very well. How many bones are found in human adult?
206.
Which animal is known for its ability to regrow its tail?
Lizard.
The first successful moon mission of India?
Chandrayaan.
Thank you for watching Go Hash. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.